Dear student, very warm good morning all of you. Chapter 12, ratio and proportion. Ratio means you know that if you will be write in two things like this, 2:3. This is the 2:3. If you will be like this, write like this 5:6. That is a proper ratio. Write this. So these things you will be study in this chapter. So first question is that there are 20 girls. So that first of all girls is equal to 20 and then boys is equal to 15 and then total student is equal to that is a 35. So that first part there is a ratio of number of girls to the number of boys. So girls is 20, girls ratio boys is equal to that will be 20:15 or this will be cancelled also by 5. 5 4 ja 5 3 ja, that is 4:3. And then second part B part is that A part B part. What is the ratio of the number of girls to the total? So that number of girls is 20 and total is 35. So that will be cancelled by 5. 5 4 ja 5 7 ja. So that is 4:7. Similarly, for second question, out of 30 students in a class, the total is 30. And then like football is equal to that is 6, like cricket is equal to that is 12 and remaining like tennis. So like tennis is equal to that is 18, that is 12 like tennis. So that first part is that number of students like football to number of students like tennis. So football and tennis. So football is this one and tennis is this one. So football ratio tennis, that will be cancelled by 6. 6 1 ja 6 2 ja, that is 1:2. 1:2. And then B part is that number of students liking cricket to number of student. So cricket like that 12 and then total is 30. So 6 2 ja 6 5 ja, that is 2:5. 2:5. And then third question, that is see the figure, you can see in your book that figure. So that A part is that A part number of triangle to the number of circle. So how many triangle are there? 3 triangle are there and circle 2. So 3:2, that will be the answer. 3:2. And then number of square, 2 square are there and inside rectangle. So that is B part, number of square is that 2 and total figure is that 2 4 6 7. So total figure is that C part. Number of circle, that is 2 and then 2 all figure inside that one 7. Fourth question is that determine travel by Hamid and Akhtar in are 9 kilometer and 12 kilometer. Find the ratio. So that ratio is equal to, ratio will be that 9:12. 9:12. Travel by Hamid, travel by Akhtar. So that will be cancelled. 3 3 ja 3 4 ja. So that is 3:4. Fifth question, that fill up. So that how you will be see that 6 3 is 18, So this is a 15, 18 is equal to, that is box, this is the 6. 6 3 is 18, that we have find out 3, so that will be 3 5 is 15. 3 5 3 is 15, 6 3 is 18. Like this 10, that will be 10, so that will be 5 2 is 10, so 6 2 is 12, that will be 12. And then similarly that will be 25, so 5 5 is 25, so 6 5 is 30, 6 5 is, that will be 30, so that will be yes, that answer will be yes also. Sixth question, find the ratio of the following. Similarly, that 81 ratio, that is 108, 108 by the cancellation, that will be 27 3 ja, and then 27, that will be 4 ja, 3 ratio 4. B part, 98 ratio 63, so that will be cancelled by 7, 7 14 ja, 7 9 ja, so that will be 14 ratio 9. And then C part, that 33 ratio 121, 33 ratio 121, so cancel by 11, 11 3 ja, 11 11 ja, so that is 3 ratio 11. And then last is 30 minute to 45 minute, D, 30 minute to 45 minute, so that will be cancel by 15, 15 2 ja, 15 3 ja, that is 2 ratio 3, 2 ratio 3. Now the seventh question, you will be see here. Seventh question is that find the ratio of the following. Seventh, A part, that is 30 minute ratio 1.5 hour, means 60 minutes we will be converted in that minute, so that will be 30 15 6 ja 90, so that 0 cancel by 0, 30 1 ja 30, 33 ja, so that is 1 ratio 3. B part, 40 centimeter to 1.5 meter, 40 ratio 1.5 meter, so 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, so that is 40 ratio 150, like this, 0 cancel by 0, so that is 4 ratio 15. C part, that 55 paise to 1 rupees, 55 paise to 1 rupees, it means 1 rupees has 100 paise, so that 55 ratio 100, so 5 1 ja 5 1 ja 5 2 ja 20, so that is 11 ratio 20. That D part, 50 ml to 2 liter, 500 ml to 2 liter, that is 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml, 1 2 0 cancel, so that is 5 ratio 20, 5 1 ja 5 4 ja, so that is 1 ratio 4. Now the question number 8th is, in a year Seema earn rupee, this one, so that is earn is equal to, that is rupees 1,50,000, and then save is equal to rupees 50,000, 50,000, find the ratio, so that will be spend also, spend is equal to rupees 1 lakh, so that first part is money that Seema earn to save, arm to save. Arm is this one, and then ratio save means 50,000. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4, that is 15:5. 5 1 ja 5 3 ja, that is 3:1. B part, money that save to save means 50,000, and ratio that is spend means 1 lakh. 1 lakh 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 4, so that is 5:10. 5 1 ja 5 2 ja, that is 1:2. And then after, there are 102 teacher in a school of student 3000. Find the ratio of the number of teacher to the number of student. So that ninth question, teacher is 102, and then student are 3300, yes, 3300. So that will be cancelled by 6 17 ja, and then 6 550 ja, so that will be 17:550. Question number 10, that 10 is, in a college out of this one, so students is equal to, that is 4320, and then girls is equal to, that is 2300. So that boys is equal to 0 2, that is 0 2 2020. So that A part you will see here, that number of girls to number of student. So girls is that 2300, ratio total is 4320. 0 cancel by 0, and then that will be cancelled by 2. 2 1 ja 2 1 ja 2 5 ja, and 2 2 ja 2 1 ja 2 6 ja, that is 115:216. That B part, number of boys to number of girls. Number of boys to girls, boys is 20, and then girls is 2300. So cancel by 0, so that 2 1 ja 2 1 ja 2 1 ja 2 1 ja 2 5 ja, 101:115. And then C part will be number of boys to total number of student. Number of boys is that 20, and then total is that 4320. So 0 cancel by 0, so that will be 101 or 216. So that is 101 is equal to 216. And then after 11th question, you will be see here, students is equal to that is 1800, and then opted basketball, that opted basketball is equal to 750. Opted, that is cricket is equal to 800, and remaining opted tennis is equal to 250 student. So A part is that. A part. Number of student who's opted basketball and opted tennis. So basketball 750 ratio 250. So that will be cancelled. 25 बन जा 25 and that is 3 ja. So 3 ratio 1. B part, that number of student who's opted cricket and basketball. Cricket and basketball. Cricket is 800 and then basketball 750. 0 cancel by 0 and then that will be cancelled by 5. 16 ja 15 ja. So that is 16 ratio 15. C part, number of student who's opted basketball and total number of student. Basketball, that is 750 and then total is 1800. 1800. So that 0 cancel by 0 and then cancel by 25. 25 15 5 ja 15 5 ja 75 and then 15 12 ja, that is 5 ratio 12. And then question number 12, cost of dozen pen. Dozen pen is equal to 180. 8 ball pen, so cost of 12 pen, that is 180 and 8 pen cost is 16 or 56. Find the ratio of the cost of pen of cost of ball pen. So that will be 180 ratio, that will be 56. So 8 7 ja 56, 8 15 ja 8 15 ja, that will be 15 ratio 7. And then question number 13, you will be see here, consider of statement ratio of the breadth of length this ratio this. Complete following table that some possible breadth and length of the ball, that will be some possible. So see that here, this is just looking a lengthy type of question. So that sum of ratio is equal to, that is 2:2 plus 5, that is 7. Following table so that some possible length breadth, that will be, or we can write like this, no need to write this one. This one method is just lengthy type of method. We can see that like this, 2:3 is given there, 2:5 is given there. So length can be double of that one or triple of that one or fourfold of that one. Many more answer can be that like this, 2 multiply like this 2, so that will be, breadth is equal to, so that will be 4. If we have taken here for breadth, so we will take 2 here also, that will be 10. Many more answers can be there. 14. That table is given there. So that 25 to the 50. 25, that is a 10, 25. And then after you are looking this, sir, this is the 50, 25 2 ja, so 10 2 ja 20, and that will be, and then that is a 40, that will be, just weight is there, ratio is given also there. Divide 20 pen between Sheila and Sangeeta in the ratio of 3:2. 3:2. So that will become 12. And then this is the 40. So this will become 8 by the ratio. 8 5 ja 40, 8 5 ja 40, like this. And then 15th question, mother want to divide 36 between a daughter Shreya and Bhumika in the ratio of their ages. If age of Shreya is 15 year and age of Bhumika is 12 year, so that find how much Shreya and Bhumika will get. So ratio is equal to 15 ratio 12. So sum is equal to 5 to 7 1 1 2 1 1 2. Now Shreya get yes, Shreya get is equal to that Shreya ratio is 15 into that is 100 upon 27. So that will be 20. How that will become 20? So that 5 to 7 1 1 2. That ratio will be also cancelled. 3 5 ja 3 4 ja 5 4 9. That ratio will become 9. So that ratio will become 9 and then 15. 3 3 ja 3 5 ja 5 20 ja. So that will be, just wait here, 2016. That will be 3 5 ja 15, 3 4 ja 12. That is 36. Oh sorry, this is just wait. Here is a 36. This 5 multiply 36 upon 9. 9 4 ja 36. That is 5 4 ja 20. Similarly, Bhumika, how it will get? Bhumika get is equal to, Bhumika ratio is 4 into that is 36 upon 9. 9 4 ja. So that is 4 4 ja 16. And then question number 16 is just lengthy type of question. So we will see here. Sixteenth question, that present father age is 12 year. So father age is equal to 42 years. And then son age is equal to, that is 14 year. So present age of father and son age ratio. So ratio is 42 ratio 14. 14 1 ja 14 3 ja. That is 3 ratio 11. B part, age of father to the age of son whose son was 12 year old. So that will be 12 year old. So that means 2 less, 2 ratio 12. So that will be cancelled by 4. 4 3 ja 4 10 ja. It means we have reduced 2 to year age in both places. And then age of father after 10 year. So that will be 50. Age of son after 10 year, that is 24. So cancel by 2. 2 12 ja 2 25 ja. So that will be after 10 year, age of father after 10 year, that will be 40. Oh, sorry, 52. Sorry, 52. This will be 52. So that will be cancel by 4. 4 6 जा 24, 4 1 जा 4, 4 3 जा 12, that is 13:6. D part, age of father to get the to the age of son, father 30-year-old, father is 30 year, so that son is, that will be means 12 year less, so here will be reduce the 12, so that will be 2 left, 2 1 ja 2 15 ja, so that 15:1, that is the age of father. Okay.